Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 50 SMA on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it. On the search bar, type moving average. Choose this one, moving average, click on it. And now as you can see, we have here the moving average, the SMA. But you have to change it to the 50 SMA. So click on it. Click on these three dots here and click on settings. Go to input and you will see here length. Change it to 50 like this. Click on OK. And now this is our 50 SMA as you can see. If you want to change the color, go to the three dots again. Click on settings. Go to style and you have here the color. Click on it and you can choose any color you want. So I will choose for example this color. And we have here the thickness. You can also change it. So I will choose, for example, this one. Click on OK when you finish. And that's it. As you can see, this is our 50 SMA. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.